I could go back, I'll probably tell myself to not have regretted it at first. 'Cause I think I did regret my first child when I found out. It was a bit scary. And just to know that no one's gonna judge you. I think that was the main thing, was I was too scared to tell people about being judged for getting pregnant so early.
Would be not being in the environment I was in at the time and choosing to leave earlier than I did. That definitely affected me in a negative way, to where I was stressing out at the very start of my pregnancy, and I knew that wouldn't have been good on the baby. Just eating a lot more at the start. It took me a while to calm down and get into the routine of being a pregnant mother. So
my mindset, even though I was really wanting my baby, I was still feeling like a lot of negative thoughts. Tātou was saying of what people would think about me. It's not the end of the world. And also, if people are judging you, it's so easy to just block that out and just focus on what's going on for you and the baby that you're growing. No one's opinions matter, because when you're raising that baby, they won't be there raising it. It's not the end of the world. Yeah.